Finally. Am I live? There we go. Oh my gosh, man. Sometimes these things are so annoying. You try connecting, you try sending the stream, you try sending it to YouTube, you tried, like, it just doesn't connect. It just won't. I don't know why. That was like my fifth attempt trying to connect it, and I'm like panicking over here because I don't want to freaking take so long, you know? But alright, now we're live, now we're live. Alright, so what do we got for gappers this morning? What do we have for gappers this morning? Okay, so let's see. Streamer struggles. No, for real, dude. Like, I tried setting it up and it just wouldn't. Alright, good morning, Crypto. Good morning, Jofi, Zach, Das. That was yesterday. Zach, Jofi, Crypto, Elvanar. Good morning, Lang. Zach's a nice one trade. Okay, the trader is here. Urban Trader, Rosendo. Good morning. Wild Boy is in here, bright and early. There we go, Wild Boy. What are we looking at? Mark over on YouTube. Good morning. So gappers on my list. I guess we still have 13 minutes to open, but I just want to get everything set up before I PXMD. It's my number one gapper real quick. So that's the first one I'm seeing. PXMD. Osea is back. Watching Osea be off. That was yesterday's IPO. So I mean maybe it gapped up again. Be off drug. Oh, I mistyped that. So we got drug. We got what's up TikTok. I'm naming down the gappers that I'm gonna have on my watch list for today. FRZA. FRZA. Do I have anything else? Holy, whatever that is. Holy. All right, so I got all of those named. Fish dude, good morning. I saw you, Fish dude. I saw you asking a couple of questions on Discord this morning. I think you got it all figured out, right? I think you got it all figured out. You figured it all out about the Okay, cool. If you have any questions, Fish dude, just let me know, man. I think Zach helped you out there, so appreciate it, Zach, like always. But any questions, you let me know, okay? Okay, got it? Got it. Got it. Okay, now let's look at all these stocks. So I got PXMD is number one. Let's see this thing. I think some of you guys already played this pre-market. I think John did because John is heading out to the golf course and he will not be with us today. He's playing 18 holes. Told him he needs to record his swing so he can send it to me. I can get some tips off of it, and then if I play this weekend, which I don't think I am anymore, I'll record my swing and he's got to give me some tips. PXMD looks pretty decent. Am I on camera? Yeah, I am. I think Zach might have played some pre-market too on PXMD. I didn't. Oh, what the heck? I didn't quite see. All right, who else do we got in here? VRX had a great afternoon run yesterday. My Labu swing is working out so far. And Nui still. Okay, let me see. This one, no. Kook, no. AGIO, no. Nerve, no. TCRT, no. TCVA, no. Sophie, no. VRX. VRX still looks good. Oh yeah, this is another one I think you guys nailed in the in Power Hour in my Discord, right? I think. You guys nailed VRX yesterday. Good morning, Perfect Silence on TikTok. Good morning, good morning. This one's not bad. I'm gonna keep an eye on this one as well. VRX. Oh, actually, it's already on my side chart. This one put in some nice flags. This is what we're looking for, guys. This is what we're looking for yesterday. This thing putting in some nice flags. So looking at the 5 minutes, you get you get this volume candlesticks right here on the way up, and then kind of consolidates, and here's your place to start adding. You didn't get the breakout there, but then pulls back down and kind of double tops that, kind of uses this as a pivot right there. That comes back down, touches the 20 EMA, and then rips, and then puts in another flag right here. Volumes up, pulls back down to the 8, uses previous highs as pivots, and then that one went from 510, maybe if you get a high entry, 510 all the way to 610. That's $1 a share there. Good morning, Rob S. Good morning. Hey, Rob, appreciate you commenting and being active on my recaps. Appreciate that, man. Even if it's just you chatting with me, even if it's just you asking something with me, I appreciate it. Doing that promotes the video a little bit more and gets more people out there. People on TikTok, how you guys doing? Let's get Momo Pro on one of those screens, bud. I have my momentum scanner right here. Trade Ideas is what I use, but you can't see it on TikTok. I'm trying to get a stream key so you can see my actual screen, not just through the camera. But if you want to see my whole screen and I have that included on there, go ahead and go to YouTube, and it will look something like, I guess I don't have it here. It'll look complete. Like, if you guys go to YouTube, you can see my whole screen, you can see my momentum scanner, you can see my camera. So everybody on TikTok, you can go ahead and do that. Or you can stay on here and just hear my voice. I'm going to be your regular viewer now. Awesome, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate you guys on TikTok. The more you guys hang out here, the more people will come in here as well. Appreciate it. So watching PXMD, watching VRX. Newey, isn't it a 5-minute flag on PXMD right now? Let me go look at it. Yeah, that little pullback was Elvinar. It looks like, I think. Yep. Look at that. It rips up. 1, 2, 3 kind of volumes down. Pulls right down to the ADMA. Pulls down to VWAP. And that was your place to add. Perfect. Perfect. So we got 8 minutes. Hold on. Let me get through these things a little bit more. But PXMD, why do I have this marked right there? Okay, that was kind of 2 days ago high. Okay, I'm fine with that. USEA 177 high. 177 high on USEA. This one doesn't look the best, but it's worth keeping an eye on it. The daily chart looks pretty bad, honestly. I thought this stock had been around for more. I guess it looks kind of sort of an IPO recently. But yeah, hopefully I get that stream key for TikTok, because that will help you guys a lot. It's going to look a lot better. Matisian, good morning, man. Good morning. Argent Trader, there you are. Treetop Josh, there you are. Sub team, time to crush it. Blair, good morning, Blair. Jesse on YouTube. Jesse, what you got right now? What you got? Any calls? Any puts on SPY? Any puts and calls on Tesla? How do you say your pivot points? Or are they just support and resistance levels? Yeah, just usually it's a resistance level that I wanted to turn into support, and that's why I call it a pivot, because now I want it to be the opposite, right? BF was yesterday's IPO. This thing, if this thing can get attention, this thing can rally back up to highs. But this is going to be a tricky one. A tricky, volatile one, BF. I don't like trading them the first day when they're all halting and you can't even trade them at all. But if they present any opportunities after that, then I will definitely trade them. And then I also got Drug. Oh my god, Drug faded. Drug took so long to get over the 200 SMA. And then finally it did, and now it pulls back down pretty aggressively. So I don't know that I want to trade this one in particular. I mean, I'll keep an alert on it, but I'm not even going to put it on my side chart. FRCA, this one looks a little better. Why do I have like infinite amount of resistances though? Gotta delete this. Start fresh every single day. Not fresh, but keep the main ones, right? So I'm going to put this one 4.7 here. And then just kind of looking at the 5 minutes, zoom out and see if I see anything on that one. I do not, so 4.7 is the highest. And then the daily, what does the daily tell me? That we are really being down on this one. Making a move back to 4.7. 477 is a candle high, and then after that we got 531. So this one could have some room if it makes a squeeze. We got beaten down hard on this stock, and then we had 2 green candles, but never really opened up. Never really opened up at all. So this one can have a pretty nice bounce back. People on TikTok, any questions, you guys let me know. SPY is grinding up this AM. You know what? I am fine with that, because you guys know I took my SPY calls yesterday So I bought SPY calls. I mentioned them on stream yesterday. When I bought them right. Hold on, let me delete. No, I don't want to delete that. I bought them right here, right there. So I bought them instantly green, went back in the red, kind of danced between green and red, but I held them and then finally pulling away, and so grinding this morning. So that's a good thing for me right now. I think over 391 I make my money on those, which is like over $300. So technically I'm starting the day off with $300 up right now. If the SPY holds up, it's possible it reverses and goes way below 391, but I might be up really close to $300 right now, where I might even take my profit. But all right, let's see, what else do we have? What else do we have? Yeah, some type of relief bounce, what we're looking for. And then the last one was Holy, expensive stock. Holy. I do have to look at NUWE though. We got about 3 minutes till the bell, so we got some time. Holy is getting pretty beaten down. Elvanar, look at your 5-minute flag that you spotted, that you called out on PXMD. Elvanar, you see it? You called it out. That was all you. That was all you, Elvanar. Good morning, Abe Trades. How many did I grab? It was a spread. Why boy, it was a spread. So define risk, define loss. I wish I would have gone straight out calls because I bought 6 of them at 279 and they're currently at 570. So they pretty much doubled. Bought them for $280 and they're worth $570. So they pretty much doubled. PXMD, this is the plays we look for during market open. This right here. You get a nice volume up, you get a nice pullback, you get a nice 8 EMA tap, you get a nice bounce of pivot supports, even VWAP there. That's your entry, 527, back up to 570. Look at that. Elvanar, where are you, man? Elvanar, please tell me. Wait. Learning from the pro. TikTok people, I'm right here. If you guys want to see the whole thing, you guys got to go on YouTube and you can see my whole screen share with my camera and momentum scanner. Otherwise, I'm trying to get a stream key so that they allow me to share my screen on TikTok, so you guys stay tuned for that. I think they won't even give it to me until 2 to 3 weeks from now, or maybe next week, the end of next week it's supposed to be. That's if I get accepted. But we'll see, we'll see. Urban, I don't have that many. It bounces around a lot. I just started it 2 days ago. Right now, I'm at like 23. I don't do pre-market either, Urban, so I did not trade that one. But look at that nice flag that right there that you spotted. This one also has not had a green day yet. PXMD, this is an IPO. It's had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red days. So we're trying to look for the first green day today. And if we squeeze a lot of people, this thing might even go back up to $10. Ape Trades, he's got PXMD, Be After Drug, USET, FRZA. Yep. I also have, there's one in there that you don't have. VRAX. Keep an eye on VRAX from yesterday. And honestly, out of those, it was the one that I just did not like. Drug. I mean, I'll trade drug. I put an alert over $2 over VWAP. But this is the one that struggled so hard to get over the 200 moving average, and finally it did. It held up there 1-2 days, and then just flushed right back down under the 200 moving average. So that stock is not going to be trading. Urban, you just followed me on TikTok. Wait. How did you find me then? How did you find my streaming stuff? No. I meant like, how did you find my Tradecaster streaming first? Alright, guys, we are live. PXMD is the only one rallying. And we are live. We are live. PXMD, I don't like that we are already trying to go. I want this thing to pull back, another healthy pullback, and then give us a possible trade. Give us a possible trade. No, I do not trade Bitcoin. This is stocks. This is stocks. Oh, nice urban trades. Awesome. I didn't know that. I did not know that. I did not know that. Appreciate it, man. Oh, we also had to watch Nui from yesterday, right? Let me put on my side chart and take a quick scan at it. It's not the best. Pretty being down still, but we're holding lows. We're holding lows. USEA kind of trying to crawl back up. We need to hold V up on USEA. That's the only one that I'm seeing right now trying to make a little move. Do we hold this little pullback here on USEA? I am on the right account, right? Yep. Watching USEA. USEA is the only one trying to push back up. Sniper Trades back in here. Sniper Trades, good morning, man. Good morning. Watching USEA. Watching USEA. USEA trying to hold VWAP. PXMD pulled back. I'm seeing that one. USEA. Let's look at the 200 one on this one. No trades yet, just watching this one. USEA has a room, but wow, the one that I didn't like is the one that's opening up. I think I see drug shot on alert. Yep, drug shot on alert. NTNX, somebody mentioned. NTNX was also a play from yesterday that okay, NTNX we're looking for 23 break, but I'm gonna put alert under 2280. If I get up there, I will take some trades on that one. Patience, patience, guy. We can't rush everything. We gotta wait for the setups and then take them. So drug is the only one that's flying. Holy crap! That USEA could not hold VWAP. I did not spy a little bit pulling back. Which one halted? CMCM. CMCM, pretty good. Wow, this thing made a nice squeeze. Wow, CMCM, what is this, man? You guys CMCM? No trades for me yet. No trades for me yet. CMCM halted up, so I want to keep an eye on this one. But this is, if you're talking about volatility, this is a monster of them. Look at this thing. From 5 to 878. Oh, that was a stock split. Is that why? Oh yeah, 66 cents. That makes sense. But still, look, this thing's going 6, 7, 8, 9 real quick, real quick. PXMD is still holding here. We got the break of 6, but never held 6 on PXMD. You said turn back around. BOF is kind of coming back. BOF. BF has halted. See, this is what I'm talking about these IPOs. This is what I'm talking about these IPOs. They just halt. They don't even allow you to take trades. And you have no idea what to expect in halts. I got two halts the other day in one day. One of them resumed and went higher, and the other one instantly resumed way lower. So I got burned on that one. Zach, what was your swing trade? Labu or LABD? Labu, right? Yeah, it has to be Labu. Yeah, I think Spy is taking a dive too. I'm seeing it. VRX was another stock we wanted to keep an eye on, and it's still pulling back. Guys, don't listen to me. I mean, don't listen to me. I literally said don't trade drug today, and drug is the only one green. Just kidding. I mean, just the daily on drug. I just do not like the daily on drug. Marissa, there you are. Good morning, Marissa. CMCN is resumed. Look at this thing. From one halt to another. From one halt to another. No way to... The second my alert went off, I looked at it and it was already halted again. NUWE kind of turning back around a little bit. Not much, not much. Are you guys trying to take a dip trade on drug? Avaya. Avaya trying to break and hold $2. Okay, Avaya's looking good. Avaya's looking good. This is the one that we, thanks to John, I jumped in the other day pretty early on it. Let's see if we get a nice pullback on Avaya. Let's see if we get a nice pullback on Avaya. Ape Trade's waiting patiently. I see it. I'm waiting for the drug flush. The dude, what is that? What is that? What is that for Avaya? I like Avaya. Let's see if we can get a retest of like one high was $2. PXMD holding 525. Avaya, my problem is that 5-minute chart. I want that 5-minute to close high and then give me a dip. Ape Trade's already good. We still have that gap fill on Avaya. I guess we kind of filled it just now. Hey, what happened to 5-minute flags? Hey, he saw it set up, he took it, and he made some money. Do I have some people on here usually trading on Sean's chat, but hanging out with us today? Because I think Sean can't trade today. Do I have any new people on here today? What do you guys think of Avaya down here? 194. Okay, a couple of new people here. A couple of new people here. Welcome to my stream. I do like Avaya down here. What do you guys think of Avaya down here? A little bit of a flush there on Avaya. That 5-minute candle is really throwing me off though. That 5-minute candle is really creating a big topping tail, and I don't know that I like that. Volume here is lower, so maybe worth taking a stab at it, but look at that topping tail on the 5-minute. If I get another flush down, maybe, but Oh no, why do I have this thing turned on? Small ad there. See if I get the bigger flush down. See if we get the bottoming out here on Avaya. Well, that was a bigger flush. That was a bigger flush. I'm out on that one. B off his life. That's why I added small on that one. I did not like the 5 minutes. B off, we're trying to break 1176 pivot. 1176 pivot. On TikTok, yes, I do answer comments if I see them though, but TikTok is not my priority chat right now, so if I answer a little bit late, I'm sorry about that. B off, we are looking for the break of 1176 and $12. $12 is hold dollar 1176. Pre-market, we got stuck up here several times. So let's see if we get a nice little pop here with volume still keeps holding, pulls back down. $11 is right here. That could be a nice little bit of support. But I want to see this candlestick close high, keep the pressure on the shorts, close high. PXMD is completely tanking, man. What do you guys think of drug pullback here, actually? This is a 5-minute flag on drug, actually. It's a pretty big pullback on drug, but to me this doesn't look like it's pulling right back down to support, I think.